Hello, hello! Today I'm trying the Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures Acacia Honey and Beeswax. It's a hair remedy strengthening mask. Now there's a massive claim on this product. It says 10 times less breakage and 2 times less visible split ends. What? For a 1-minute hair mask? This does all its magic in 1 minute. Okay, let's try it. The texture of this product is very, very thick and it smells amazing. It's for fragile hair and hair that's breaking. I'm going to try it out and I'm glad to read it's cruelty-free. Blended with sustainably sourced acacia honey, protecting beeswax and 97% natural origin ingredients. It's not blended with silicones for a natural feel, so this is pretty pure. It's really good. Discover the treasures of the hive. Strengthening acacia honey and protecting beeswax blended into our nourishing remedy. It leaves hair feeling stronger, prevents breakage, and reduces the appearance of split ends. A truly sensational moment for you. Generously apply our melting remedy on wet hair. Wait a minute and rinse. So this is what it says on the bottle. However, I am not going to do that. 1 minute is not enough on my hair. So I'm going to do the usual 10 to 15 minutes to leave it in. I'll show you the process of how I do this and tell you exactly what to expect from a mask or a deep conditioner. I've already washed my hair, so shampooed, conditioned. Now it's time for the hair mask. As I've said already, this hair mask feels very thick, so I wasn't sure if I needed to add more or less. It was so thick and my hair was freshly washed, so I'm in the shower. I have just washed my hair. It's clean, so I am applying it to wet hair. It might look like my hair's already drying, but it hasn't. I'm literally in the shower, just rinsed out the shampoo and conditioner. A little actually went a long way, so even though you think you need to add more, you don't. Now I'm doing a 2-strand twist. You need to detangle your hair with the product in your hair, brush it through, and then do a 2-strand twist to really lock in the moisture. As I'm doing this, I'm doing it on my whole head, and once I finish, I'm going to add a plastic bag over my head and do everything else I need to do while I'm in the shower. The mist from the water will penetrate into your hair follicles, and this is exactly what you want. This then brings me to what a good hair mask is actually meant to do. A good hair mask typically possesses certain characteristics that contribute to its effectiveness in nourishing, repairing, and improving the overall health of your hair. Now, here are some qualities to look for in a good hair mask. This is how much hair I've lost so far in the detangling process. A hair mask should really help you detangle your hair really easy. This one wasn't so easy. This is how much of the product I've used in total, and it just seemed a bit harder for my hair to absorb this product than other products usually do. Maybe because the product was so thick and my cuticles weren't open enough. And there you go. See, as I said, I'm putting a plastic bag over my head to help penetrate into my hair a bit more. Let's get back to what a good hair mask should do. The first one is it should have moisturizing ingredients. Yeah, does this have honey? Did you know that honey on its own is a natural moisturizer? So this is your moisturizing ingredient. Tick, it has it, and it's a good one. Now, honey is pretty amazing. It is very moisturizing, has soothing and antioxidant abilities, as well as significant antibacterial and antifungal abilities. So it's like magic. Ta-da! Number 2. The next thing a hair mask should have is protein enrichment. Protein is essential for hair strength and structure. A good hair mask may contain ingredients like collagen, amino acids to strengthen and repair damaged hair, and keratin. Now, yes, another tick. This is actually the beeswax. This has protein in it, and it has fatty acids. So yes, tick. Number 3, has it got vitamins and antioxidants? Hair masks usually have vitamins such as A, E, B vitamins, antioxidants like those found in fruit extracts. It can help nourish the hair, promote a healthy scalp, and protect against environmental damage. Now, yes, this is an antioxidant. Honey is also an antioxidant. I said it in number 1. Number 4, natural extracts. Tick, it's natural. Yeah. Number 5, is it free from harmful chemicals? A good hair mask should be free from harsh chemicals like sulfates, parabens, silicones, because we don't want it stripping the hair, of all its natural oils, and it can cause long-term damage, really. So it actually said it's free from silicone for a natural feel. Number 6, is it suitable for your hair type? Different hair types have different needs. Hello? So you need to ensure that the mask that you're using is right for your hair. Usually on the hair mask it says for dry or damaged or curly or color treated hair. This one says, as I said, for fragile and hair that's breaking. So this is good for that type of hair. Number 7, ease of application and rinse. The mask should be easy to apply and distribute through the hair. So as I said, because it was so thick, that's the only thing I felt it didn't work very well. It was quite hard to distribute this through my hair. It wasn't hard, but it just felt like my hair wasn't absorbing it. There wasn't something to suck it in, And should it rinse out easily without leaving residue to ensure that your hair hasn't been weighed down? Yeah, I'd say it was easy to rinse out. It wasn't particularly hard. My hair did feel soft, I'm sure of it. And number 8, pleasant smell, of course. I love smelling products. I think I have an obsession for smelling products, but that's another story. While not a crucial factor, a pleasant scent can enhance the overall experience. Yeah, I found when you have something smelling so good in your hair, you're just like, oh, I need to buy this again. You remember that smell. Our memory is definitely linked to smell. Well, mine is anyway. So tick, yeah, it smells good. I don't think it was particularly strong when it was in my hair, but when I smell it out of the container, it smells amazing. And number 9, are there proven results that this is good? Look for reviews and testimonials from people who have similar hair to yours and who have the same concerns and who have experienced positive results with the hair mask. Well, that's me. That's why you're looking at this one, isn't it? Yes. Tick. Yes. Look at my hair. I mean, come on. My hair felt soft. The definition was there. I have been struggling with frizz for a while, so this was a pleasant surprise. My hair needed something to bring it back. And number 10, frequency of use. How frequent do you use hair masks? A hair mask should tell you how to use it. There should be instructions on there, just like this one that says 1 minute. Obviously, I don't use hair masks for 1 minute, as I said, but some masks are suitable to be used weekly, just for 1 minute, while others said to be used not as often. So sometimes I use a moisture treatment, which is different to a hair mask. I'll put a link so you can have a look at that video. Yeah, have a look at that. If your hair is lacking moisture, it doesn't need a hair mask. It needs a moisture treatment. If your hair is dry, it needs a hair mask. There's different things that your hair needs at different times. There's different seasons. In the winter, it feels drier because you're in a heated place with the radiators. It sucks out all the moisture. Whereas in summer, the humidity is high. So you don't need as much moisture because there's moisture in the air anyway that's moisturizing your hair. Yeah, so environmental factors, time of the year, time of the month, whether or not you are lacking vitamins, there might be something in your diet that you're lacking, and so your hair is lacking that vitamin as well. There's a lot to consider, but don't get bogged down by it. Just try one. If it works, great. If it doesn't, move on. This, I can tell you, worked really well. I loved this hair mask. I felt a difference. The only thing, as I say, is I couldn't judge how much to use, how much not to use. So I think really I didn't need to use as much as I did, but it still did a good job. It probably can last me a long time, but yeah, due to my inability to judge how much of the product I actually needed in my hair, it could have resulted in a totally different outcome. This is day 4, by the way. So good. I know. I was really happy with this. The question is, would I recommend you buying this? Yes. The outcome is very good, as you can see. However, are there better ones out there? Yeah, the banana Garnier one, it does feel very good on my hair, but I can't knock this one because I've only tried this once for this video and it was phenomenal. So if I used it every week, I might have a totally different outcome. But for now, Garnier does do better ones. I feel like the absorption of the other Garnier products are pretty good, whereas this one isn't as good, but it does give you the result you require. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not like this video? Leave a comment and tell me what hair mask you use. What hair masks have you found that tick all the boxes? I want to know. And which ones you want me to review. If you haven't used one and you think, oh, I'd like to use this one, leave a comment. I'll review it. No problem. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.